all the students. Welcome to our National Public School. Today we will discuss the next paragraphs of the passage The Solar Dynasty. Okay, this is for class 7. I am reading the text now. All of you have to listen to me very carefully. Okay. King Dasharatha was a just and responsible ruler. He looked after his as if they were his own children. His kingdom was well protected by a huge fortified boundary wall with deep trenches on the other side to keep the enemy away. Thousands of armed guards kept vigil day and night to protect the city. King Dasharatha's palace was in the center of the capital. 8 wide road connected the palace to the gates. Ajodhya looked beautiful and charming, with several gardens, lakes, and magnificent buildings. Each and every inhabitant of Ajodhya was affluent and the city thriving. There was great law and order, with everyone following rules and regulations to the hilt. Peaceful kingdom was united in bliss and in sorrow alike. King Dasharatha ruled his empire with the help of 8 highly qualified ministers. Sumantra was the chief among those ministers. Besides ministers, royal priests Vasishtha, Bhamdeva, and Javali guide him in spiritual matters. Okay, the final paragraph. In this way, Dasharatha enjoyed a royal and contented life of blissful happiness. His reign was marked with prosperity, wealth, and fame that even gods in heaven desired. Okay, all of you have to know the spelling or meaning and the summary of the lesson. Okay, all of you know that the passage this describes us about the king Dasharatha and his children like Rama, Lakshmana, and the beautiful palace of the king Dasharatha. Okay, all of you have to write the theme